जिंगल बिलवा बाजेला, पक्की दाढ़ी वाला बुढ़वा झोला लेके भागेला है। जिंगल बिलवा बाजेला, पक्की दाढ़ी वाला बुढ़वा झोला लेके भागेला। घर घर ये आयला, तोहफा बाटेला।
Merry Christmas, Joseph.
Merry Christmas, Sanjay bhai.
Merry Christmas, Hardik.
Merry Christmas, Sanju bhai. Joseph bhai, Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Hardik. Same to you, man.
This is Santa Claus in his younger days.
You mean I'm the Santa Claus?
Yes.
I mean, for years I'm the Santa Claus.
I'm missing the white beard.
So, Sanju,
Yeah.
what's your plan for the day? It's been pretty months. We didn't have kind of a session like this, and why suddenly?
People are missing you.
Me?
And yes, I'm getting lots of queries. When is your next video coming?
Even that's not true. While hearing it, makes a much more happiness. Lots of messages missing my videos. Good.
Actually, I got 2 messages.
2 messages. So lots of messages went into 2 messages.
Are you comedy me?
Okay, fine. At least 2 people are there, right?
Yes, yes.
I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
Something is better than.
Nothing. You know the drill, like what we do here. So you're ready for the question? I'm going to ask you a question.
Very simple question.
Seriously, it's a very simple question.
You say the same dialogue on every time, and I never answer to it.
You yourself would say, oh, this is so simple. I would just give you the answer like this.
So let's see. Anyway, my spirit is to answer
Yeah.
at least some nonsense.
You say it's nonsense, but for us, it's like always fun. So you ready for this?
Let me hear it first. Then I'll say you. Is it simple or something else?
So Hariveer sir, I'm going to ask him a question. Alright, and he's ready to answer.
I'm expecting a lot of entertainment.
Yes, even I'm expecting that.
If Joseph bhai is there, the entertainment is there.
Listen to it very carefully.
Simple question.
Yeah,
Think and say.
yeah.
I'm ready. Shoot up the question.
So you have seen there are a lot of words in a dictionary. Alright.
I
Like
believe that
unique.
we earlier had a same kind of a question which.
This is not the same question. So I'll give you an example. Like there's a long word like encyclopedia. It's a long word, right? Then there is a short word like ant. Right? My question is,
Your question is.
what is that one word which is already short, but when you add 2 letters to it, it becomes shorter? I hope you understood the question.
I believe so.
Okay, you want me to repeat it?
Well, that'll be good.
Okay, I'll repeat it again. There is one word which is already short, and when you add 2 letters to it, it becomes shorter. You have to tell me what is that word.
I really don't know the answer.
बस हवा निकल गई.
You know the answer. Just think, na. It's a very simple question.
See, generally you shoot up the question,
Uh,
and the answer will be somewhere. I always understand the question wrongly. You said me that if you take the 2 words, it will become shorter.
let
See,
me
it's
correct you.
again
Like,
it's a
I didn't
twisting.
say when you take. I said when you add 2
No,
letters.
no,
to
no,
it.
no. Listen to it. You said to me, when you take the 2 letters, it will become more short.
What is that one word which is already short, but when you add 2 letters to it, it becomes shorter?
सुल्तान अबे रुक. Hey सुल्तान. Hey क्या कर रहा है? अबे.
I want to know that when you add 2 letters, how it will become shorter.
You have to figure out.
Okay, give me the 2 letters.
Huh?
Give me the 2 letters. I'll find the shorter one.
I'll give you the answer then. Give me the
It's
2
better than.
letters. No, please try na.
Try,
Please
try.
try.
This one.
Please.
See, even when you make to think and ask this question,
Yeah.
the 2 letters, which is becoming shorter, either it should be my height, which again I'll go down when I become fat. It should be like that.
You become fat means?
I'm already fat, but I mean much more.
Okay. Yeah.
Now I'll do one thing.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm giving this question to one of my best faculty, Mr. Hariveer sir. And I want him to have this answer.
He is only telling the answer
So
to you.
I couldn't find the answer, so I kindly help me out.
Sir knows the answer.
Then I want the answer.
You want the answer?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes, absolutely, I'm pretty sure.
Okay. See, my question was there is a word which is short. When you add 2 letters to it, it becomes shorter. That word
Word
is
is
short. When you add ER to it, it becomes shorter.
as usual. You again me. Right. So this is what you say. Think twice.
See,
or thrice.
I always tell you to think, and my answers are in the question itself.
It is actually simple. Short.
See, it
and
was
short.
very simple.
Okay, it is very
But-
simple.
Yeah. So you got the answer, right?
You said the answer.
Was it simple?
Very simple.
Very simple?
Very simple.
Okay. So I hope you all enjoyed this Christmas video, and we to enjoy with this Santa Claus always. So today Hariveer sir and Hardik joined us.
Next Christmas we will see it together. I
No,
guess.
not Christmas. We meet soon. So until next time, Merry Christmas to you all and a very Happy New Year.
So Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
जिंगल बेलवा बाजेला पक्की दाढ़ी वाला बुढ़वा झोला लेके भागेला